everyone! Today I will show you the 2-bedroom unit here in San Lorenzo Place, Makati City. So tara, let's see kung ano talaga yung nilalaman ng ating 2-bedroom here in San Lorenzo. Again guys, this is a 38 square meters unit. As you can see, makikita nyo na agad yung space natin, of course, for our living area, dining area, and of course, the kitchen area. As you go along here, we provide entertainment good for the family. Siyempre, we need to bond, to listen to the news, etc. And of course, here is the living area together with the view of the city, which is this property is located here in Magallanes Corner, Chino Roses here in Makati. As you can see here in the view, makikita na agad natin yung access to our different ways to Pasay, Cavite, Manila, and such. Again, this is located in Makati City. So tara, tingnan natin yung ating first bedroom. This first bedroom, ayan, nakikita nyo na kasya sa atin is single bed, of course. On your left side, we provide the cabinets and the provision for our window type aircon. And for the next one, this will be the second bedroom. Again, a provision for our air condition, and the specific size of the bed is single bed, and you can use it double deck if you want a double bed. That will be fine also. And again, as you go along here in our dining area, we prefer 4 to 6 seater dining area. Again, on the corner lot, which is the kitchen, of course, we do offer the upper and lower cabinets together with the countertop made up of granite, and of course the stainless sink and a grease trap on the bottom of the sink, because syempre ayaw naman natin magkaroon ng sink ng leakages on our sink. O kaya kung gusto nyo Airbnb, of course, kailangan maging malinis ang ating sink, kasi kadalasan ng mga condo units wala silang provision for it. And of course, ay may provision na rin tayo for exhaust fan for our induction cooking. Alright? So next is our toilet and bath. As you can see here in the corner, we provide the toilet and bath itself. Again, this is a double bed unit, 38 square meters corner lot unit here in San Lorenzo Place, Makati. Again, I am Ken Lumba, one of the salesperson here in Empire Hills. Bye!